The Find X10 lineup is rumored to debut an industry-first eye care panel that covers the BT.2020 color gamut. This provides significantly richer colors than standard DCI-P3 displays, while using a custom substrate that emits the highest ratio of healthy red light and the lowest blue light to date. OPPO is currently testing the upcoming Find X10, Find X10 Pro, and Find X10 Pro Max alongside the iPhone 17 Pro, presumably to compare their camera prowess against Apple's latest flagship. All three devices in a rig with the iPhone 17 Pro, and even though the OPPOs are inside a case that's meant to obscure their designs. The next generation of OPPO Find X10 series devices to a brand new and redesigned square-shaped front camera imaging sensor with 100MP resolution. Find X10 is currently being evaluated with a 200MP periscope telephoto camera. It is unclear whether it will use the Samsung ISOCELL HP5 telephoto sensor like the Find X9 Pro or a different sensor. The OPPO Find X10 is anticipated to feature a versatile triple camera array on the rear, a primary 50MP sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens. This setup, combined with OPPO's advanced image processing and AI-driven enhancements. The OPPO Find X10 series is powered by the next generation of flagship Silicon MediaTek Dimensity 9600. The Find X10 will feature a flat screen with a 165Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, and a peak brightness that could exceed 3500 nits. The OPPO Find X10 is now tipped to pack an 8000 mAh cell, nearly 1000 mAh larger than its predecessor, with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.